Welcome to Real Internet Cash TV. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now in this video, I got a super cool YouTube marketing strategy for affiliate marketers. All right. So I recently put out a video talking about how you could use Facebook Reels to generate more traffic to your YouTube videos, ultimately getting you more commissions, right? So in this video, I want to share with you another method that's just as easy and can get you just as much traffic, if not even more, just depending on, how you post and whatever. But anyway, so whenever you have a YouTube video about whatever you're promoting, right? What you want to do is post it in Facebook groups. Now you might be thinking, dude, everybody know about posting in Facebook groups, man. But listen, are you posting your YouTube videos? Because see, a lot of times when it comes to Facebook marketing and posting in groups, a lot of people teach the method of, you put up an image, right? Or you say a comment like, who wants to start earning $100 a day? Type info, or who wants to retire in 30 days, type yes in the comments, right? And some people get traction off that, and that's cool, right? But I figure, like, why not use my YouTube video and get attention, right? Still post in Facebook groups, but get some views to my new YouTube video. Because whenever you post in these Facebook groups, whatever, check it out. When you post your YouTube link, that your thumbnail pops up as an image. So you're doing what people are trying to do, post a cool image, assuming that you got a cool ass thumbnail, right? Make sure your thumbnail is eye catching, right? Is that right? Eye catchy or whatever. Make sure, make sure your thumbnail is appealing, right? Make sure, make people look like, damn, what's this, right? Because if that's what's going to show up in these Facebook groups. Now, I wouldn't just post, just your link, right? And then the thumbnail will come up. But give it like a little title, you know what I'm saying? Like whenever you post in a group, say something like, man, I just started this opportunity and I'm already making money. And then put your YouTube link, right? And it's gonna have that dope ass thumbnail, right? Boom. People, if it's appealing and people see it, they're going to click on it. Once they click on it, now they're on your YouTube video. You just got a YouTube view, and you potentially got a new lead, or you got a new commission sale, right? So every time you post up a new YouTube video, you need to have your list of active Facebook groups. Go in there and post your new YouTube link in these groups, and this will help you get more traffic, more subscribers, more commissions, all of that good stuff, and it'll help you build your brand as well. All right, so hopefully this video helped you out, but remember, you gotta take action. All right, so if you want to learn more Facebook marketing and you want a way that you can start generating $50, $150, and even $300 commissions, you definitely want to watch this video right here, right now.